Hello, my friend. Good morning. I'm Subhas Yadav here. And if you are doing affiliate marketing, then you must know to making money is truly hard. But if you want to make around $1,000 per week, then I have created a step-by-step full course, and that course is approximately a completely a premium, but only first 20 people who want to access, then I am providing completely free of cost. So what you can do, simply click the description link below and go to this page. Okay, you should go to this page, and you can see make up to $1,000 a week and paid weekly. And you can see on here what you get inside course. Welcome to the Posse members area and overview how the system work and mindset and planning. It is really important. And successful passive income examples, basic tools required by domains hosting and install WordPress like something, and basic setting and a lot of lessons I have created. Okay, customization, the request and everything. Module number 5 you can see. And also I'm including pro training. Okay, now, just not a basic, you will get pro training, and after then expert level training. So you can see on here pro training, what you get inside overview of the training and advanced customizations, and get themes and plugin, create legal form, because you need to understand everything how MOF, how Ministry of Freedom and how affiliate marketing work for a long time. Okay, so you can see pro training, you will get also bonuses. And after then, if you want to make instant commission just within a few 3 or 4 days, if you want to make $1,000 a day, then I have also provided you training inside. Okay, so you can see overview the system and everything. Create Google AdWords accounts. Basically, you should learn about how you can run a paid traffic and make a lots of money every single day. Okay, so it is full course. So you can see here, this is my earning dashboard. So if you really want to make around 100 to 200, even 500 to $1,000 a day, then you should check out the course. Okay, what you need to do, simply once you visit the page, then click the link below and go to finish checkout, and only 20 people allow this. After then you need to pay a lot of fees. Okay, but it is completely free, you don't need to pay anything. It is full-fledged affiliate marketing course. It is a proven and result producing course. Okay, so go to and access now. Look at, you can complete your checkout, your fulfill your first name and second name and your actual email address where you will receive your course access. And you can see this is 100% free, and the actual cost of the course around $297, around $300 course you will get completely free, you don't need to pay. So keep remember, only 20 people. Okay, so if once 20 people reach out, then it will cost going $300. So so if you do not want to miss this opportunity, simply go to and access this course. Okay, so and we are talking about myself. Then I was busy, truly busy last couple of months to my upcoming product, and it is based on hosting, and it will going live around 23 April. And also you will get a lot of updates. And let me if you facing any problem to access this course, then comment down below and I will give you full solution. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I have given a personal numbers and and anything. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, then I'm recommending you, this is one of the best course I have created, and it is really amazing. So go to access now. If you have any question, feel free to talk me. Okay, thank you so much. See you on next video.